fund, and they spent 7-8 years to develop this product. So in 2016, we received the #1 individually approved functional food product pendant. So after a long period time of R&D, it received the love from the global consumers.
처음에 해모힘은 많은 사람들을 만나기가 어려웠어요.
So at first, the beginning of HEMOHIM is not very easy because it was sold in a very expensive price. But after meeting Atomy, we increased the capacity and also we lowered the price. It's just the 1 of 10 from the price in the beginning. And that's why Atomy's HEMOHIM is being loved by the global consumers. And in the future, we will believe that the HEMOHIM will continually rewrite the history. So let's look forward to its growth. So our immune system is very complicated. Now I'm going to introduce the substance of HEMOHIM. It was made by Lingula gigas and also Peony japonica, which is an ancient herbal medicine which improves and enhances the immune system. And this is the #1 individually approved functional food product that was recognized by the government. And now I'm going to tell you guys about its effect. So why is immune system important? It was because it protects our body from the external environment and protects our body from the harmful substance. So that's why it's very important. So next up, I'm going to tell you more about the NK cell. So this is a white blood cell that protects our body from harmful disease, and also it can recover our thymus. And next up, we have its benefits, the cytokine. It is a protein substance in our body, which plays a very important role in our immune system. Just only for your immune system health. HEMOHIM. Hello guys. Today I'm going to do a fact check about Atomy's HEMOHIM. Why? Because the fact is enough convincing just by the facts. So now let's know more about HEMOHIM through data. It was made by the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute with a $5 million initial fund. So this is just the start of HEMOHIM. After a long period of time and efforts that was made by the scientists, Atomy HEMOHIM received patents from 21 countries, and it was recognized as the #1 individually approved functional food products in Korea. So now it received global love from customers from America, Singapore, Australia, and Russia, or more. It is the #1 product in sales for 7 consecutive years, and the annual sales reached 200 million packets. So now, every second, there was 7 packets of HEMOHIM sold. And all these numbers, all these data proved the quality of the HEMOHIM. So please try are HEMOHIM.